Have you ever wondered how your adjusted cost basis, ACB, is calculated? If so, you're not alone. Many investors struggle to understand this important metric, especially those who use Questrade. Your adjusted cost basis, ACB, is the total cost of your investment, including any adjustments for things like capital gains or losses. It's important to know your ACB because it will determine your capital gains tax liability when you sell your investment. In this video, we'll discuss how Questrade calculates ACB for different types of investments. Questrade calculates ACB in a number of different ways, depending on the type of investment. For stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, Questrade uses a simple average cost method. This means that the ACB for each share is the total cost of all shares purchased divided by the number of shares held. For options, Questrade uses a more complex method that takes into account the strike price, premium paid, and whether the option was exercised or expired. Finally, for bonds, Questrade uses a first-in, first-out, FIFO method. This means that the first bonds purchased are the first ones sold, and the ACB for each bond is the original purchase price. It's important to note that Questrade's ACB calculations may not always be accurate. For example, if you transfer your investments from another brokerage to Questrade, the ACB may not be transferred correctly. In addition, Questrade may not be able to calculate ACB for certain types of investments, such as option spreads or convertible bonds. If you're unsure how your ACB is calculated, it's always best to contact Questrade customer support. They can provide you with a detailed report of your ACB for any of your investments. In addition to calculating ACB, Questrade also provides a number of other tools and resources that can help you manage your investments. These include a tax calculator, a performance tracker, and a portfolio analyzer. Overall, Questrade is a great choice for investors who are looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use platform. If you're new to investing or if you're looking for a more sophisticated platform, Questrade is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about how Questrade calculates ACB, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on investing and personal finance.